Hey guys, quick question here. How many of you guys are using the YouTube link like that? You can share your social cam videos straight to YouTube also. And if you do, how much time are you spending on YouTube versus social cam? Like, from time to time, I'll upload one of my social cam videos to YouTube, but then it's kind of like, I feel like it's overlapping. I mean, not even so much in the respect that I get a lot of YouTube comments or anything, but maybe some of you do. I'm just wondering what you guys find, maybe what's better, or just kind of what your thoughts are regarding social cam versus YouTube, or using them both. Just because I'm thinking if you have a popular YouTube channel and a popular social cam channel, you're going to be answering a bunch of different questions and or comments and stuff. You know what I mean? That could be pretty time consuming. Just if anybody does that. If you don't, then yeah, maybe it's a non-issue. All right. Thanks, guys. Later.